Assalamualaikum. My name is Nakibul Abrar. I read in class 7. My section is Buruj. My school's name is Premier School Dhaka. So today in this event, I learned from my personal viewpoint, I learned that how to be healthy. We also learned personal hygiene, and we also learned CPR. It will be beneficial for us in our daily life, in our natural life. We can benefit others, and yeah, today in this event I learned this. How to treatments and how to. This is an inspiration for me to be a doctor. So yeah, this event were very beautiful.
Assalamualaikum. Myself Mohammed Yamin Zoder, and today we learned many things learned how to check blood pressure and pulse rate. So we learned about first aid things like it can help us through our daily lives and help us in our any condition.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mustafa Hussain from class 7 Premier School Dhaka, and today we had a special event. The healthcare professionals, they told us how to take care of a people who is dying and how we may save a person's life, and we did practical practice how to save someone from choking and how to stay hygiene. This is all about the event, and it was greatly managed, and thanks to Premier School Dhaka for doing such a good event.